The green screen effect allows TikTok users to put any image or video in their background. To use the green screen effect, first you open up the TikTok app and then you click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the effects icon at the bottom left of the screen. Next, tap green screen from the menu. This chart shows all the green screen effects that TikTok currently has to offer. I'll include a link to this chart in the description section. Tap the green screen icon with the sun, grass, and a down arrow to activate the green screen effect. After clicking the green screen icon, you'll be superimposed onto a background from TikTok's gallery or an image you select. Okay, now it's time to have some fun. Scroll through the pictures in your camera roll to see which picture looks the best as your background. Use two fingers to adjust the size and position of your image. As you can see, I've uploaded several different backgrounds to try out. I would recommend Reddit and Pinterest if you're looking for some backgrounds similar to these. And don't forget to crop your image to make it easier for TikTok to handle. I think the best backgrounds for the green screen effect are landscapes and amazing views. Let me know which one of these images you think is the best in the comment section below. There you have it. That's how you use the green screen effect on TikTok. Be creative and have fun. Thanks for watching.